Setting up an indoor smart camera can help keep an eye on your home when you're not there. Your first step is to power up your camera and start the setup process. You'll need to have the app installed on your phone to continue. When you sign up on the app, you'll get an email confirmation. Now, connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. The app will display a unique QR code that you'll scan with the camera. Now that you can see what the camera sees, it's time to find the best spot to mount it. Consider placing cameras at points of entry, like the front door. You can rest the camera on any surface, or use the included metal plate to position it anywhere. You can have the app alert you whenever motion is detected, and the camera will even back up event footage starting a few seconds before the triggering event. Just tap the image to see your live video stream, or rewind the feed to see what's been happening. Now you've got a smart camera watching your door 24/7, and it took all of a few minutes to set up. To learn more about smart home devices, visit travelers.com/homecentral.